We out here at Cahuilla.
Cahuilla, dog.
Okay. Today's goal is don't get hurt.
No injuries.
It might be a challenge for you.
Yeah. Challenge. Final boss. Don't get hurt at the track.
And then he's gonna hit the main.
Then we're in the fucking quadruple. We're yo, repping the Dirt Junkies TV. DirtJunkiesTV.com. Go get your own. Bro, I'm like scared. Dude, because you're jumping into like this 3 landing, bro. Like, you can't see it.
No, it's a big landing. Like, it's long. So like,
Yeah, it is long.
What I do is I hit it in 3rd gear, and then once I'm already down, I shift down to 2nd gear. That way I can hit the corner.
Finished a moto. This guy Josh beat me.
Just by a little bit.
Bro, this guy's nasty, bro. This guy's nasty on the track, bro. This guy like fucking just rocking it. I'm like, I'm a little bitch when I'm jumping. I'm like scared.
They're just warm-up laps.
I'm scared, bro. I have PTSD, bro. Roll the clips, bro. Well, right as I'm about to do my little quick lap, my fucking chain just folds, bro. Josh, what were we thinking after that chain of events?
Dude, that was horrible. I was literally waiting for you I had a perfect.
Unintended.
Yeah. I was literally at a perfect spot, waiting, ready.
Dude, I was like, bro,
I literally thought you crashed.
I was like, Josh probably thinks I crashed.
No, yes.
Bro, because I was far, bro. I was far from you.
Yeah.
Josh came up here.
I had to
and goes-
push it. I had to push it a good ways, bro.
Josh comes up here and goes, Logan crashed. I was like, seriously? He goes, yeah, he's still on the floor. I was like, it's like that's how I know you're joking. Like, you wouldn't just leave him on the floor.
Link literally broke. And then that like caused that link to kind of open up and that one bent. Honestly, I'm just lucky that I didn't even crash. Happened right on the landing. Right on the landing, so I was honestly I was pretty lucky.
Use your sandwich, bro.
You know, that wasn't the outcome we wanted, though.
I don't be rationing around here. That's a beefy sandwich.
Alright, we're loaded up. Sad day. Both
Not
loaded.
that sad of a day. It was a good day. It was
a good
Except
day.
The ending, when he was feeling good, everything
Felt a little too good, and then
the bike just couldn't keep up.
the chain couldn't keep up. I look, should have changed the chain a while ago, honestly. Might be user error. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Okay, what you gotta say?
Here's your bop.
Slow down.